Well, howdy there, folks. It's me, your favorite penny pinchin' powerhouse, the Shoppy Grandma. Ever feel like your wallet's playing hide-and-seek with your dreams? Mine used to hide under the couch cushions, screaming, "Not today." But oh boy, have I got a tale that'll tickle your funny bone and fatten your piggy bank. Grab your coffee or tea if you're watching your caffeine like I watch sales, 'cause we're diving into how this old grandma struck gold with master affiliate profits. And trust me, it's funnier than my cat trying to coupon. So picture this, I'm a die-hard Shoppy Shop gal. You know that app where discounts are deeper than my grandkids' excuses for not calling? I'm saving on groceries, gas, and gadgets like it's my full-time job, which it kinda is, since retirement's just code for bargain hunting marathon. But one day my wallet's still whining about inflation. Prices rising faster than my blood pressure at a bad bingo game. Math ain't mathin', y'all. $50 for a loaf of bread. Instant disappointment. Then bam, I stumble upon Dori O'Neill's double dip income. Sounds like a Sunday special, right? But no, it's this genius way to double your dough without lifting more than a finger. Or in my case, a crochet hook. Dori's all about that multi-tiered magic, where you earn from your referrals and their referrals. Like a family tree, but instead of fruit, it's cash falling off the branches. Through Dori's double dip, I discovered Master Affiliate Profits, MAP for short. Not the kind you fold in your glove compartment, but the one that maps out your path to passive income paradise. As a Shoppy Shop devotee, I jumped in faster than a frog on a hot griddle. And get this, I use MAP to promote Shoppy Shop itself. It's like telling your friends about your favorite cookie recipe, but they pay you every time they bake it. Share my unique affiliate link on Instagram, WhatsApp, or even yell it at the mailbox. Boom, commissions roll in. Up to 40% on campaigns, lifetime referrals. My wallet's dancing the cha-cha. But wait, there's more, and it's free like samples at the grocery store. If you're already in Shoppy Shop, you can join Master Affiliate Profits for zilch, nada, $0. No catch, unless you count learning as a catch. By joining, I got a free course on online marketing. Me, who thought viral meant the flu, now knows how to market like a pro. Emails, social posts, build-in lists. It's easier than pie and twice as sweet. No more guessing. It's done-for-you setups and templates that make even this grandma feel like a tech whiz. Now, if you're already a Master Affiliate Profits member, high five. You're probably smiling at your bank statements. Use this to supercharge your Shoppy promos. Double dip that income, Dori style. Thinking about joining MAP? Do it. It's low risk, high reward, like betting on grandma in a bake-off. And Shoppy Shop folks wanting to master online marketing? This free course is your golden ticket. Learn the ins and outs without spending a dime. Promote smarter, earn bigger, laugh harder. I've outsmarted inflation, turned saving into earning, and now my cat's jealous of my lifestyle. Shoppy Shop plus Master Affiliate Profits? It's the dream team. Save big, earn easy, live smarter. Thanks for watching, y'all. Go double dip. Your wallet'll thank ya. Do grandma a favor. Hit that subscribe button like there's no tomorrow. Please like this video and leave a comment. Thanks for tuning in. I've got to get to the hot Shoppy Shop warehouse deal before it's sold out. Shoppy Grandma out.